Morning, Adrian at Engine Carbon Clean. We're in Nottingham and we've got a beautiful Mercedes C180. This one is from 1996, got 55,000 on the clock, so not many miles for its age. It's been SORN for the last year, is it? About the last year. So we started up recently, got it up to temperature today. We're coming doing a clean on this, get the diagnostics in. We've got limited data on the diagnostics. We're having to use one of the old, I think it's a 34 pin adapter on these Mercedes and the engine bay. We've got minimal amount of data coming out of this. There's a few bits and pieces going on with the fuel level sensor, has a short circuit, outside temperature sensor, open circuit, and an unknown code that we're still digging around trying to get an explanation on that one. Also look like there's an issue, the brake pads have been done recently and we got a couple of lights on to do with the brake pads, so that probably needs investigating, get that dealt with. Otherwise it's running lovely and smooth and quiet compared to what it was. So it's really smoothed out now. I say, given all those years of running and probably short trips, given there's minimal mileage on it, so it definitely needed a clean. I got about another 10 minutes to go on this one, then get it out on the road, but it's a beautiful, beautiful example. I don't think this owner is going to be getting rid of this anytime soon. It's a lovely car, really nice.